You have to stop scrolling and use these high converting done for you emails. Because in this video, I'm going to show you this copy and paste method that's going to take you from 0 to 10K a month. You don't need your own website and you don't need a social media following for this method. Whatever I do, you do. Whatever I copy, you copy. Let's go.
All right, welcome back to the channel. If this is the first time you guys are visiting the channel, go ahead and do me a favor and hit that subscribe button on the way into watching this video, because we're actually going to show you how to take a very simple business model that only costs you $25 per month to run, and you'll be able to make a substantial income with it. As you can see from this video right here, what we're showing you here is the current account that I have on this right now, where if you go from October 1st to October 27th, this is a live account. You can see on this account right here, I have made $30,986.40. So this business model works, and we're going to show you guys how to set this up. This is video number 3 of this training series. So if you have already been following so long, if not, I recommend go back and watching the other 2 videos that are here on the channel that are related to this video series. So let's go ahead and jump on in that. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click the link that's directly below this video. If you haven't already, it's going to bring you over to this page right here that will allow you to set up and join this business model. If you guys are confused about what we're doing, just go ahead and shoot back to video number 1. It'll walk you through everything that we're talking about. But if you haven't signed up yet, you can go ahead and follow along with this video, and you guys can go ahead and sign up down below here, right here where it says sign up today, join MLGS for only $1 per day. You're going to get a bunch of leads. It has a built-in mailing system, and we're going to mail that system. Now, what you're going to do also, if you haven't already joined, we're actually using what's called an MLGS. It's an automated lead generation system that actually we send out emails on a daily basis to this product that is called the My $25 Business, which you can also click the link down below. It'll have the My $25 Business, so you can go and join that as well. It's only $25 per month to run. And then we're going to just be using this system as well as one other additional traffic source that we're going to introduce to you guys for you guys that have been following along with the previous 2 videos. There's one more traffic source that we're going to teach you guys about here inside this video training series. So you guys as well, there'll be a link down below for that as well. So let's go ahead and jump in today and send our email. We're going to teach you guys how to do this. Like I said, if you want to set this whole thing up, get all your accounts, go back and watch video number 1 after this. So we're going to go ahead and come into the mailing system. What you're going to do after you sign up, go ahead and hit select all, right? And we're going to scroll down here. As always, once you hit select all, this is the process. We don't do anything here. We don't do anything here. We just hit select all. We skip this portion right here. We're only worried about the subject, which we're about to write. And this is the body of the email. So this is the body of the email that we're about to send to our leads that were generated by the system. Today, we're sending this to 111,700 leads. This account has been open for about 2 years. So the longer your accounts are open, the more sales you are likely to generate because the more people you are sending your emails to. So what we like to do is always keep things congruent. So let's jump on over to the product that we're actually promoting, and let's scroll on down here and let's find and write a very short email. So right here is that's a great subject. Create a $100,000 yearly residual. We may have already covered that in the previous video. So let's keep going down just a little bit further here. Quick profits are nice. Let's do this $100,000 income that comes in whether you work or not. That there is a great subject line. People are like, what is that? You know, see, that's perfect. $100,000 income that comes in whether you work or not. A lot of people the subject line is designed to get these people inside this mailing system to open the email. Now we're going to come down here. In a minute, I'm going to pop this up so you guys can easily copy this. Now what we need to do is actually write the email itself. So let's go ahead. Quick profits are nice. A yearly $100,000 income that comes in whether you're not. Even better, but our goal is to make sure that you have the skills to create. Okay, so let's take a look here. Boom. All right, so by quick, our goal is to get you business in. So let's take a look right here, because what I like to teach you guys is to try to always use copy from the products you're going to be promoting throughout using this My Lead Gen Secrets system. If you want to promote more than one business, that's okay. We highly recommend the My $25 Business just because it converts like crazy. So let's just go ahead and copy that right there. That's a very nice sentence right there. So we're going to bring that down here. We're going to paste that in. Quick profits are nice, and a yearly $100,000 income that comes in whether you work is even better. All right, so if you want to learn how to start, I took this from the thing up here, start making money in as little as 24 hours from Now, and we're going to go down, click here to start making money. So I'm writing the email for you, right? And then you're just going to put thanks and then whatever your name is, okay? Whatever your name is going to go right here, okay? So you just put your name right there, whether it be Michael or Jessica, or you can come up with a fictitious name. You can put any name you want to right there. These people don't actually know you, so that is okay. You can put anything you want. You can put Michael, Jessica. It does not matter, right? So that's how quick our email is. Now what we need to do is we need to actually connect our link. So we're going to copy this right here. We're going to jump back to our SAM cart. We're going to scroll right down here to where it says the all-in-one $25 business sales letter. That's what we need to copy. And by the way, if you're curious how this got set up, you're on video number 3 on this channel. You need to go back and watch video number 1. We're going to copy that, come over to the mailing system, hit this little icon right there, paste that in, and click OK. All right. Then what we do is we click this perfect timing. So what I'm going to do is hit the preview button so that you can actually write this down. So the email is going to be like this. The subject line is going to say $100,000 income that comes in whether you work or not. Quick profits are nice, and a yearly $100,000 income that comes in whether you work or not is even better. If you want to learn how to start making money as little as 24 hours from now, click here to start making money. Thanks, XXX, or whatever your name you want to put in, or whatever name you want to make up is completely fine as well. All right. Then you click send email. Now, once this email is up, as you guys have watched in the previous videos, we highly recommend that you get 3 to 5 accounts with this system. We show you guys how to daisy chain it back on video 1. So whatever channel you're watching right now, this should be a video series. Make sure you go back and watch video number 1. So what you do is you leave this up. You right click this, and what you do is you click duplicate. Then what you're going to do on the duplicated page, you're going to log out and log in to your second account. So we're going to go ahead and log on in to our next account. You come back to the mailing system. You hit select all, right? Now what we're going to do is come up here, and we are going to copy this subject line right here, paste that in. We are going to copy the email, and we are going to slide right back down here and paste that in and click perfect timing. Now you would just repeat this process for as many accounts as you currently have, okay? So I currently have 5 accounts on this particular system that I mail out every single day. I recommend trying to get at least 2 to 3 accounts using the links that are down below and then daisy chaining them as we showed you in video number 1. Now we're gonna introduce the next and the final paid traffic source. There should be a link down below for you guys to sign up with. It's free to sign up. It's going to look just like this. Step 1 is you're going to create your free account right here. You're going to click this button right here, and this will create your free account. Once you create your free account, you'll put in your name, your email, your password that you want to use. Once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and log in, so I'll show you to what page it's going to take you. And we're going to show you guys how to purchase that extra traffic, this extra what I call set it and forget it monthly traffic. So once you've created your account, you're going to land on a page that looks like this. You're going to come up here to where it says traffic store. Right here's the second one over. You're going to click it. What we recommend doing is what's called a set it and forget it traffic. That's the 12-month traffic. You're going to click on that. You see how I clicked right there? It's going to pop this up. What you do is you choose what package you want. The recommended package to start with is right there. This is an optional traffic source. It is not required to promote the $25 business. This is just an optional way to get high quality traffic to your website so you can continue to make money. So once you have logged in and you click the traffic store first, so this is step number 1. Step number 2 is to come right here. And then once that screen pops up right over here, what all you have to do is come right here to where it says enter your URL of the website you want to promote. So what do? We come over here to the all-in-one $25 business. We hit the copy. We come back right here. We paste that in right there. You will fill out your information. I already have my credit card filled out. You will sign this right here. You will submit your order, and this will run automatically for you on Autopilot every single month, and you'll get traffic coming in on those days. Say you forget to log into your mailing system and send out an email. No worries, because you're still going to be getting traffic sent to it every single day with that service. So that's all there is in today's video. And then tomorrow we'll actually be teaching you guys, going back over the My Lead Gen secrets in the very next video, giving you your next email to be sent out and giving you some tips and tricks to actually convert more of these leads that you're getting into sales. Other than that, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in tomorrow's video.
Below this video, go to the description and click the links below and make sure you take massive action. I'm also going to throw in 2 great bonuses to help you get you going. It's going to take you to the next level. Again, Ian3, liveLifeAndTravel.com. Let's go.